In today's video, I will walk you through how to turn cell color if checkbox is checked in Google Sheets. Start by selecting the cell where you want your checkbox. Go to Insert and choose Checkbox. If you need multiple checkboxes, select a range of cells and use the same Insert and Checkbox option to add them across the range. Next, select the range you want to format. Click Format, then choose Conditional Formatting. In the panel on the right, find Format Cells if, open the drop-down menu, and select Custom Formula Is. In the formula box, enter equals $B2, making sure the cell reference matches the first checkbox in your range. Press Enter to apply the formula. Now choose the fill color you want to appear when a checkbox is checked. To test it, click any checkbox in the selected range. When the box is checked, the cell or range covered by the rule will change to the color you selected. If the color does not appear, check that the correct range is selected and that the formula references the proper starting cell. And that's how to turn a cell color when a checkbox is checked in Google Sheets. Thank you for watching the video, and I'll see you in the next one.